Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to the Dupascopy webinar YouTube channel. And you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is Thursday, 24th of August 2023. This is the fourth trading day of the week. And I welcome you once again to this wonderful webinar. I've just joined. Okay. What are we going to do here, guys? We'll be looking at the major currency pairs. We'll see the key levels and we'll try to check what are the key levels there, how we can use the key levels based on the price action into our trading setups. And because I'm saying that we are going to discuss price action and technical analysis only, so we'll not talk about anything fundamental, because we know that everything that we talk about here in the fundamentals is already priced into the chart. So we'll only focus our analysis on the price action. And for our analysis purpose, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts. So at any point of time during my webinar, if you feel that there is something that is concerning you, or you don't understand something, you need more elaboration, you can ask me in the chat. We'll try to help you out there. So at the end of the session, I'll be answering the questions from the viewers. So please feel free to ask any questions if you have in the chat box that is provided. But whatever I say in this live stream should not be taken as a trading advice. It should only be used as information and to increase your knowledge. My request to you will be that please do your research before you put your money on the line, rather than copying my trading whatever I'm doing here on the live stream. Please do your own research. Now, before I take you to my charts, I must take you through this risk disclaimer, because we are working with the margin, and the margin trading is dangerous. In the meantime, if you have not clicked the like button which is below the video, please do so. And if you are new, please consider subscribing to this channel, because I'm here every day at 1700 GMT with my free analysis of the major currency pairs and a few bullions and cryptocurrencies also. So let's begin today's day with the first things first. On your screen right now is the US dollar index. All right, yesterday we have witnessed a bearish pin bar, and that was at resistance, because these levels were considered as resistance. Okay, level here from where the price reversed yesterday. There was a huge sell-off from this area, and this up move, I think I just wish that it should be another opportunity for the sellers. But you see that we still are in a buy mode in this market. We have not entered our sell positions, because the sell position was supposed to be entered either below the low of this candle, but as I do it conservatively, that has to go below the low of this candle, that is below 102.90. So technically we are still buyers in this market, and we cannot sell this market until and unless we see a trade below 102.90. So those of my friends who were very aggressive in selling yesterday, they might be already into huge losses over here. Okay, so yes, the price is headed higher, it may even go higher. Okay, 104.59 is the ultimate resistance. So that's why I say do not be aggressive and wait for the price to break below this rising channel, and at least let it go below this 102.90. Then only we will be sure that this uptrending market structure is broken. Okay, and then we can become sellers very comfortably in this market. Right now 103.88, which is yesterday's high, is the immediate resistance. Later on we can find resistance around 104, 0.59. So keep an eye on these two areas on the upside. On the downside, we can expect some support around 103.25, which was the previous high that is taken out, and 102.90, which is the upswing pivot. Kabir Mehdi. Hello, Kabir. Welcome to the live stream. Kabir, you are first time here, I think. May I know where are you from, if you don't mind sharing? In the meantime, we can check the euro dollar. So euro dollar has also started a move lower, but it has not gone below the yesterday's. What is the symbol? This is euro dollar, and the earlier one, that was the dollar index, US dollar index it is called. This is called US dollar index. Look at here, US dollar index. Hello, Creative Anshu, Afghanistan. Kabir is from Afghanistan. Hello, Kabir. Welcome to the stream. And Creative Anshu, hello, and welcome to the stream here. So, all right, this is now the euro dollar. For euro dollar, the immediate support is 1.0802. But I must tell you that even if the price falls from here, look at these highs on the left side and the support that they have provided earlier. Rakesh, wild day today in the indexes. We will see when we reach the indexes, but right now it looks like here this level may offer a huge support when the price hits this area. So it is around 1.0778. Wild day today in the indexes. I think it must be due to the Nvidia has something. I heard this news that Nvidia was up 8% or maybe 9%. Check what is index saying. Where is the index? Oh, wow. So let's go to our daily and check what happened. Okay, so this price action is telling you that we are not taking this market up and we are sending it down further here. So yes, if it finds some support at this rising trend line, then it's fine. And if it fails, you realize that it will be a breakout to the one side and then immediately on the other side. When something like this happens, then it is an explosive move. You are seeing Nasdaq also. So USA Tech is called Nasdaq. Boom. Right. So it also gave you another opportunity. But no, it closed higher then came down. All right, but I hope that you are sound here. Did you buy it and then got your stop losses triggered? I bet you did something like that if you're talking about it. Creative Anshu is saying bank nifty analysis. Anshu, there is no bank nifty on this platform, but I will do it for you at the end if you will stay here. Okay, or you can check back later in. Can you have a live trade? No, you cannot have a live trade. We had a live trade and the position is closed. So I shorted at our level on NAS. Good. If you shorted at our level on NAS, then you are rich already, I think. Here at 15,265. Peter, this is the level that you have on your charts, 15,265. Or which level are you talking about? That was the level actually. Anyways, so I'm coming back to my charts. So I will just do it fast because I see that something today is bigger in the equities. So what I was saying is that euro may find support even after the drop from these lows. It may find support here at the multiple supports area. This area is what I'm talking about. Why? Because one is this slant line, that is the channel that is being followed. The other one is this horizontal level of previous resistances which turned support here. So this level of 1.0778 may be a very important level. Guys, if you are vibing around here, I will request you to please smash that like button. below the video. It will help us in the YouTube algorithm. Thank you. So on the downside, this may provide a huge support, and if it doesn't provide you support, then the next level that we will be targeting is 1.0635, which is approximately 135 pips down from here, approximately 130, 145. And on the upside, if for some reason the price starts rising from here around 1.0778, then maybe this will give enough bias to push the price high and break from this falling channel. If this short-term falling channel breaks, then most probably the price will start rising and 1.09303 will be tested in this market. Okay, so keep an eye on the higher side, 1.09303, and on the lower side you should, I think, keep an eye on 1.0778. and if you find that this channel is breaking, or if you see this channel is broken like this, then expect this area to act as a resistance. I will be marking that with my ellipse. All right, I'm sorry guys, I had a call. So next thing is the GBP USD. Good businessman, hello, welcome to the stream. Good businessman, this is your first time here? All right, so let's talk about the GBP USD. Yesterday we have witnessed a huge buying here at the bottom, and now the price is on the verge of breaking below that yesterday's low, which we are expecting to act as a good support. And even if it falls, we have another level of huge support around 1.2590. Kabir, I can understand what is the goal of this webinar. I can't understand everything for educational or to have a live trade or a review of the market. Goal of this webinar. The goal of this webinar is actually we started this for live trading first. Then we just started discussing it because we don't have a live account. This is a demo account, you can see. Okay. So I don't want to make anyone fool around here, so I don't want to open the trades and make some profits or losses. I just teach here, talk here. If you like it, you can make use of it in your life. Just switching between pairs. Yes, I'm just switching between pairs and I'm discussing the key levels. I think Kabir, I told this in the beginning of the webinar. The idea is that in next 30 to 45 minutes we will be watching the key levels for all the pairs that are here. Okay, and we are talking about the pairs only. That's it. So I'm telling you what are the important levels in the coming time. Somebody can please help him to understand what is going on here, please. Thank you. So when I talk about GBP USD, this low here, which is also the high of the previous time, that is around 9th of June this year, and this low of 29th of June, this area may be of some importance. Also, this aligns itself with this falling channels resistance line, which was broken, and now maybe maybe it is going to be tested as the fresh support. The idea is that this may be possible here. Maybe this is what is going to happen. Approximately. This is all approximations. It is not always true. Anyways, so this is what my expectation is, because if the price breaks below 1.2590, then the next these levels will be exposed in the market. So you can always bring it up like this. So to 1.2486 will be exposed in this market if the price starts falling from here. But if it starts upwards, then 1.2815 will be the next level. There in between there is no resistance on the way up. Talking about the Australian dollar now. 0.6480 was the area of resistance, and above this we would have been looking for a buying opportunity, at least on the 4 hour. You see on the 4 hour, you will see that the price has broken higher from this area here. So we are looking for now buying opportunity, and if we are looking for the buying opportunity on the 4 hour, what we can do is we can make something like this. Okay, and yes, this is a possible area of buyers to jump in. So let us see how the things unfold here. But 0.6364 will be the target if this channel breaks, and if the price continues, then 0.6521 will be the next level of resistance in the Australian dollar. Similar is the case for the New Zealand dollar, but here you can see that New Zealand dollar actually faked on the upside and then broke lower. Even if you draw a channel joining the recent lows like this and this high, you will see that this has already been broken and is finding resistance over here. So we can remove this, and to some extent, if you see that there is a buying here, if something like this starts, then there's a possibility that the price will keep rising. But anyways, 4 hour market structure is broken. Okay, there was a lower higher high and higher low formed here, but here the price broke through this low, so I am again in a selling mode in the 4 hour. Okay, so now my next stop should be around 0.5896 on the downside and 0.5963, not this one, now 0.5984 on the upside. This should be our target, and this pattern is what I will be observing. If the price breaks below, 0.5896 will be exposed, and if it continues higher, I'll be expecting some resistance from this line, and thereafter 5984 is my resistance. Now next is the USD JPY. 146.55 is the ultimate resistance, and this channel is what the price is observing right now. So I'm expecting some resistance at the test of this channel. But even if that breaks, then 146.55 is also a huge resistance, which is the recent high. But look at this 4 hour price action. It is suggesting you that the price is going down, down and down, and if it continues further south, then 143.88 will be the next level of support. USD CAD, almost an inside bar, a huge resistance on the upside. Expect some down move to the level of 1.3461 before any move up here. Also notice that the price is at the channel's resistance area, so maybe this push with the green candle may not be sufficient. Also, it is in line with these supports and this resistance, these resistances. So yes, this is an important area. 1.3565 area is an important area of resistance, so expect some sell off from here, and the target of 1.3461 may be achieved in this market very soon. US dollar, again the Swiss franc must have seen some green pips, because yeah, 0.8819 has been broken on the 4 hour at least, and today if it closes higher than 0.8819, then all these tops would have been triggered already, and we may see higher price in the USD CHF. But rather than buying here, I'll wait for this channel to get cleared. Okay, so what we can do is now we can remove this, and we can expect something like this, okay. In the silver, very small change on the daily chart. Yesterday there was a huge buying, but today dollar is strong, but there is very less sell off from the side of silver. So that means there is a lot of demand for the silver, so expect 25.25. as and when the US dollar depreciates a bit, you will get another opportunity to buy the silver. I think the high of this candle, this one, should be seen as a buying opportunity here, 23.78. so let's see how the things unfold, but I'm expecting a huge buying in the silver in the coming time. Similar is the case for gold. This is the 4 hour chart, but if you look at the daily, then you will see that there is a small consolidation only. Okay, any lower prices in this market around 1907 should be seen as a buying opportunity. On the higher side, the first resistance is 1929. On the lower side, the first support is 1907. Brent, like I told you yesterday also, that below 83.03 this is a sell, and the price went yesterday to almost the same lows from where the price has reversed today. But today the price has made a lower low with lower volumes, but has managed to give almost now 11 hours are pending, but 83.03 is the level. If the price breaks and closes higher than that, which is it looks like which is happening, then it may test 85.82 and 88.07 once again. On the contrary, if we see any close lower than the low of this candle here today, then we can witness 80.91 and 78.16 in this market. Notice that market structure on the daily is a selling market structure, so any rise here will be seen as a selling opportunity around this area, around this area. Expect something like this. Okay, Bitcoin another move lower today after yesterday's up move. A lot of channels actually have already been formed here, so clear the things so that we have a clear picture of the market. Yeah, so 24,766 is the immediate support. The resistance is at 28,549. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed in the Bitcoin. In the case of Ethereum, this uptrend move broke, then this finally this is a counter trend move. It can go at least till 1797, where I'm expecting another sell-off, and I'm expecting a lower move here with the target of 1367 and 1072 in this market Ethereum. Until that time, the price may keep rising to 797. 797 is the ultimate resistance I expect here in this market. Although I don't think that my viewers are trading the Ethereum, but it is, I think, a good area of opportunity for us to go short, and there is a chance that the price will not even reach here, because we have a bigger channel here now. We have something like this now, so the price may even rise to this area and then fall back. But I think one more channel is there which you may see. The price may even eventually fall from here also. Okay, anything can happen. We just have to wait and watch. Euro New Zealand, 1.8204 area is acting as a support. In fact, this is the level of support now, 1.8147, from where the price has reversed today, and reversed yesterday. On the higher side now, the first resistance is this area around 1.8461. The next target is 1.8629. Okay, on the downside we have immediate support at 1.8147, which is the low of yesterday. Thereafter there is a huge support at 1.8081, because this has been a previous resistance in the past, and may offer us a good opportunity to go long in this pair for a longer run, because on the monthly chart this is an upside breakout. Euro New Zealand on the monthly chart is a breakout to the upside. Look at here. So yes, there's a buying, and it may end at 1.8629 or maybe even towards 1.9926. Euro against the Australian dollar. Right now I'm expecting the price to find some resistance at around 1.6862, but yes, any move further lower towards this rail line should be seen as a buying opportunity in this market. This is a inverse head and shoulder breakout, so a retest of the neckline should be seen as an opportunity to go long with a target of 1.7385. Australian dollar against the New Zealand has finally closed the day higher than 1.0833. Now this should be seen as a buying opportunity if the price comes to this area with a target of 1.0925. On the contrary, if the price closes lower, then the next target will be 1.0718 in this market. My friends are saying that I'm just switching between the pairs. I'm not switching between the pairs, but I am switching to the next pairs. So if you are new here, you may not understand that, but it's okay. I won't argue. All right, GBP AUD finally has seen some sell off yesterday, but still now it is not a selling market. This will turn into a selling market only when it goes below 1.9489 as far as the market structure is concerned. But if you want to sell this market here at around 1.9711, it looks lucrative, but believe me, below 1.9489 it will be very easy for you to carry this trade in the short direction. But right now it may also get some buying around this broken wedge resistance area, which now should be acting as a support because the price is approaching from the top. Okay, although we are looking for a selling entry in this market only and only below 1.9489. US 30 finally a break lower, so that means the price is headed lower. Some might be thinking, okay, this is an area of opportunity to go short, but my request is wait for this area to get cleared and look for another selling opportunity around 34317 area at the retest, rather than trying to open any short position here. Do not try to open any short position here. Okay, just wait and watch. CAD JPY, nothing here, only consolidation, nothing. This is a doji. Yesterday there was a pin bar, nothing. CAD CHF, yes, CAD CHF looks like it is getting accumulated before a move to the upside. Well, upside move may be limited by 0.6609, but if it breaks up, then this falling channel will be the next level of resistance. The horizontal level is at around 0.68312. GBP CAD, I think we have taken the targets almost, but even if we have not, we are looking for another area of opportunity, which we may get around 1.7002 area. Even these areas may provide some support, but I think if the price is able to buy some support in this zone, then fine. If it is not able to find any support even till 1.70029 and breaks lower than this and starts trading below, then I'll be cautious in this market. Although I am expecting this rising channel to hold, and maybe even at the break this rising channel will be holding. So I have hopes from this market to the upside, but the Canadian dollar is getting appreciated so much today, at least, that pound is even looking like a puny in front of this Canadian dollar. So that's why this is so much of sell off in the GBP CAD. Okay, 1.7002 I think is the level where the buyers will be comfortable in buying this market. USA Tech we have just seen. Hello Benny, hello, welcome to the stream. Thank you very much for the joining. So here 15,265 was the resistance. I think my friend just told me that he's short, but I would have not shorted this market here, not because something because I'm not aggressive. Okay, now I see a bearish engulfing at the resistance, so I will be looking for a selling opportunity tomorrow if this bearish engulfing closes like this. Okay, next target will be 14,687. No, the next target will be 14,549, and if that is traded, then 14,207 will be my next target in this. Can we please look at US 30? Yes, we have already looked at US 30 and I said that there is no need to trade that market. Okay, AUD finally a selling opportunity at the resistance. Okay, and nothing much actually here, nothing much. Price is going higher after breakdown. This is a selling opportunity. If you want to short, then little stop loss higher, but you know that in the longer run the price is going higher. So I'll just say don't do this, don't sell this market, because in the longer run it is going to be a buying market. You may get sellers buyers anytime soon. So rather than selling this market, wait for the right opportunity to go long in this pair above this falling channel. Last is Euro GBP. Euro GBP has again gone higher with the bullish engulfing yesterday, today closing higher than 0.8565. This is indication that pound is euro is stronger again than the British pound, and 0.8657 will be the next level of resistance here. Support will be 0.8565, and if it starts falling from here, then 0.8492 should be acting as a very good support for this market. So my friend was saying that US 30, can we have a look at US 30? So friends, this is US 30 and this is the red candle on the daily, which has engulfed the price action of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even the last Friday's price action it has taken. So yes, all these buyers who try to open their long positions here, they have been now, I will say, thrown out of the market. So yes, you may get a selling opportunity here, but the day has not closed yet. So I will take you to 1 hour and we'll do a swing here. Look at the swing. Do you want to buy this market? There's no point in buying this market, but yes, close to 34,267. If you can get a selling opportunity intraday, you can sell the market with very long term targets to the downside. Rakesh, with that large engulfing on NAS, where could we look for another entry to short? Anything tomorrow, anything tomorrow, okay, anything tomorrow. Like at least 50% will be a healthy retracement. I tell you, you take this candle, okay, you know, this is the candle. A 50% retracement will be a very good 15,128. If you can get tomorrow, that will be a very good selling area. Wait, a selling, not buying. Yeah, selling, not buying, Benny. Look at this now. Okay, I will tell you why. You know, this is an area, this is a, what is it called, a pattern, but we have a buy position. Huh? You have a buy position right now? What are you talking about? I think even if you have a buy position, your stop loss must have been triggered here, because 247 was the area of stop loss. What are you talking about? Where is your buy position and what is your stop loss level? Tell me. Benny, why you always do this? Benny, can you hear me? Which buy position do you have and why? What is the reason? I think we had a buy and indexes are currently are bearish. Look at the price action. Yes. I just told you that all these buyers, boom, 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 they were thrashed. They were thrown out of the market today. And look at this. This happened today. No, not the, yeah. This happened today. Today, so there was some report that Nvidia, the buy position from before. No, brother. Your stop loss. Where was your stop loss? Tell me. Penny, where is your stop loss? Okay, so see, today some Nvidia report came. I took it off. I look it off. I took it off my SL. So that's your problem, man. You took off your stop loss. That means you are ready to destroy your account. SL is to stop your loss. Okay, here we go, Benny. If we get another price towards 34,267, you should be looking for a selling opportunity. Okay, the market has already entered a selling market. Why is this guy always creating troubles for him? Okay, understand the price action here. Understand the price action here. There was a sell off from here. I told you that this is a buying market, so look for a buying opportunity here. Did I tell you? At this level, look for a buying opportunity. We saw a bullish pin bar. We opened a buy position here. Okay, we got stopped out. We got stopped out. What is the meaning of stopped out? Stopped out means we don't want to stay in this market. That means all these buyers who tried to push the prices higher, they are being overpowered by the bears. If the bears are overpowering the buyers, why would you like to stay in such a market? Simple question. Why would you like to stay in such a market where bears are taking your stop losses, and your stop loss is triggered only if you know that these bulls are overpowered? If these bulls are overpowered, these are your friends. If they are no more in the market, why you want to stay in the market? Why did you move your stop loss? So first rule of thumb is don't move your stop loss. Now the next thing that I am saying you is, what you can do is you can decrease your losses. If you are already in loss, what you can do is you can sell your position, whatever long you are holding. I can just suggest you, okay, if you are holding any long, you should execute. Profit was around 300 and now in a loss. It's okay, Benny. you can minimize your losses if you get a selling opportunity close to 34,267. But also notice, I will tell you, Benny, this may be a trap. Okay, this may be a bear trap. I'm telling you why. Sometimes markets makes a move to the upside, they take out all the sellers, then it makes a move to the downside, it takes out all the buyers, and then it starts moving in the intended direction. And what is the intended direction? Upside. So shall I close it? No. If you have already seen this much, my request to you is that whatever is the low of this candle, keep a stop loss below that. Keep a stop loss somewhere here. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Keep your stop loss somewhere here. Here. Keep your stop loss somewhere here. Believe me. 34,194, 34,193. Keep your stop loss here. Why? Ha ha ha. Okay. You see, there is a lot of there are a lot of people here in the market. Okay, and first they take out all the sellers by triggering their stop loss. Then they take out all the buyers because all the buyers have stop losses below them. Okay, what number? Okay, exactly you want. It must be below 34,198. Anything below 34,198. I mean, why does it take out everyone? I mean, why does it take out everyone? I don't know, but yes, on the 2 minutes, you see that there is a possibility that, oh, okay, so there is a breakout in the 2 minutes. So you see now carefully, my friend, what is your name? Benny. Here, the market started making lower highs and lower lows, but here the market has finally made a higher high and higher low. Okay, it may continue now. Boom, 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 boom. That is only your luck, I will say, luck, because the price action is so bearish. But finally, you see at the lower levels, at here at below 2367, the volumes have started coming up. That means somebody is buying heavily in this area, heavily. If somebody is buying heavily, don't you want to be part of that? This is the same game that we played that day. Okay, so that's all, guys, from my side. I hope you get the idea. So Benny, if you want to keep this position, keep your stop loss around 34,193 or 34,195, and you can just cross your fingers and expect a huge move to the upside. Just expect. I'm not saying that that is a must, but expect a big move to the upside. So I hope you know about the support and resistance levels, my friends, which are of importance in the coming hours and days. My request to you will be that please risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I would like to end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you, and you can leave your suggestions in the comment section. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna keep it. Okay. And Benny, there is one more reason for you to keep it. I will tell you that this is a sell in daily only. This is a sell in the daily. But if you go to the weekly, you will realize that the weekly candle has not closed. And tomorrow it may jump up again and give you a green candle. So maybe it is testing these areas. Okay. So you may get buying very soon. So don't lose heart. Yes, you are getting buyers at the lower levels. Hello Tega, but this is time to leave. Thank you very much for joining. We are done for the day. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.